Good morning, students. Today I am starting with the next chapter of statistics, that is measures of central tendencies. Now, when we study statistics, we do certain kind of statistical measurements, and these are called as the order of measurements. The first is the measure of the first order, which includes the central tendencies, that is mean, median and mode. The second is called the measure of the second order, which includes the disparity of values around the average. It is the second stage of statistical calculations and is known as dispersion, quartile deviation and mean deviation. The third is the measure of third order, which includes the concentration of frequencies. It is measure of skewness and kurtosis, but this is not in your syllabus. So today I am starting with the mean portion. Mean, as you already know, is simply the number obtained by dividing the total values of different items by their number. Now, if we look at it, when we study mean in detail, there are different methods given. But the best thing and the correct values is that we know whatever data is given to you is either individual data or it is discrete data, and thirdly what we call it as the continuous data. So when we take this kind of a data, we have different methods for the calculation. Individual data means only the values are given, say x1, x2, x3, x4, etc. Discrete data means you are given the values x1, x2, x3 and their corresponding frequencies are also given to you. And continuous data means that you have the class interval 0 to 10, 10 to 20, and you have different frequencies given over here. So first I'll be starting with individual data. Now whenever a question on individual data is given, you can very easily find out what kind of a data it is, and the moment you find that it is an individual data, simply we use the formula x bar stands for mean is equal to summation x divided by n. This means all observations which are given to you, divide this by the number of observations and you get what is called as the mean for the individual data. Now supposing, let me see, the question is, we have three workers A, B and C. You have three workers A, B and C who get 1010 rupees, then 1020 rupees and 1030 rupees. You are asked to calculate the average average wages which they get. So the simple formula is x bar is equal to 1010 plus 1020 plus 1030. How many observations are given to you? You are given 3 observations. When you add them, you get 0, 6, 0. 3060 divided by 3 and you get the answer easily as equal to 1020. This is what is done when we do calculation of the individual data. Now the same question can be done by the shortcut method also, using a assumed mean method and step deviation method, but it is not advisable to go by this method. The second method which I am taking is the discrete data. As you know, discrete data means what? Discrete data means that you will have x and you will have a corresponding values. Supposing I take the question, there are 100 students in a class and the marks which they are getting are 10, 20, 30, 40 and 50. The number of students is represented by f. So this is f and this is x. What we do is we calculate fx. Frequency which is given is 5, 10, 40, 20 and 25. For this kind of questions, the first step which we do is we calculate the total of frequencies sigma f. Now this sigma f and n are the same thing. N means when it is an individual data, all the observations, and sigma f also means all the observation, and this is how we calculate them. So if we calculate them, we get 30, 40, 40, 40, 80, 20, you get sigma f as 100. Now let us calculate fx. fx which we get, the values are 10 into 5, 50, 20 into 2, 200, Then you get 4 3s are 1200, 800 and 25 120, 1250. You take the total. This is what is called as sigma fx, and the value comes out to be 0, 0, 1, 3, 3 into 5, 5 into 15, 1, 2, 3500. Now here we use the formula x bar is equal to sigma fx divided by sigma f. So this you get as 3500 divided by 100 is equal to x bar is equal to 35. This is the answer. This is how we use the calculations in discrete method.